Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video we will try to determine the relative amounts of prophases, cementite and perlite microconstituents in hyper range. So in previous video we did in hypo range, and in this video we will try to do for hyper eutectoid steels or hyper eutectoid range in iron carbon alloys. So if you did not watch our previous video, go through the playlist of physical metallurgy and watch that video also, so that you will understand easily what is hypo range and what is hyper range. So the question is, in an iron carbon alloy that contains 1 weight percent, compute the following. So they are asking the fractions of pro cementite and perlite, and the fractions of total cementite and the fractions of eutectoid cementite. Okay, so I already told you that if we will draw a tie line just below the eutectoid temperature or just above the eutectoid temperature, we find that the tie line that extends until 6.67. Okay, so suppose this is the eutectoid point and this is the origin point, that is 0.022 from where alpha getting starts. Okay, so I already told you that the composition that will be less from 0.76, that will come in hypo range, and the composition that will beyond the 0.76 and up to 2.14, that will come in the hyper range. So practically that is something 1.5 or 1.6, but on iron carbon diagram we can say 0.76 to 2.14 weight percent is in hyper range. Okay, so for hyper range we get prophase as ferrite. Okay, so prophase means that phase which forms before the eutectoid reaction. That's why in hypo range that will be proferrite, and in hyper range that will be procementite. Okay, and both side we will get perlite also. So there will be two micro constituents, that is prophases for hyper range is procementite, and for hypo range will be proferrite and perlite. So by given values we can identify that whether it is in hypo range or in hyper range. Okay, so if they will give value of carbon percentage from more than 0.76, that will be in practically hyper range. Okay, and in if some question, if they will ask for just for confusion that for 1 weight percent calculate the proferrite, so you can write without the calculation that proferrite in 1 weight percent of steel will be 0, because we will not get proferrite in hyper range. We will only get pro cementite and perlite phase in hyper range. Same with hyper range. If they will ask if they will ask point 30 percent of carbon, and they will ask about the pro cementite phase, so the question is wrong, and they are just asking for the confusion purpose. So 0.30 weight percent of carbon steel only contains proferrite, not pro cementite. Okay, so we have to be careful while the computation, or and also we need not to calculate for that type of questions. Okay, so for this question we will see now. First question is that the fractions of total cementite. They are asking for fractions of total cementite for 1 weight percent of carbon. So for calculating fractions of total ferrite, we know, if we will draw like that, so this is eutectoid point 0.76, and this is 0.22 and 6.67. So this is a whole alpha plus Fe3C region. Okay, somewhere here we will get 1 weight percent. So we will draw the tie line for this type of question. So we can easily draw the tie line. Okay, so we need to draw the tie line on for 1 weight percent. Okay, so this is the tie line, and we have to extend that tie line up to 6.67, which will start at 0.022, and somewhere this will be 1 weight percent. Okay, so for this is for alpha plus Fe3C phase region. Okay, so we know this is the Fe3C and this is alpha phase. So we need to calculate the Fe3C, that total cementite. Okay, so we need to take this lever arm for calculating the total Fe3C. So total Fe3C, I am taking that, I am taking it as W of Fe3C. Okay, so W of Fe3C will be equals to, how we can calculate, 1 minus 0.022 by total length, that is 6.67, minus 0.022, that will be equals to 0.978, 6.648. Okay, so we will able to calculate the total Fe3C, that will be 0.147. Okay, so this will be total cementite with 1 weight percent of carbon, and we can also calculate the total ferrite. So we can calculate easily, that is total ferrite is equal to 1 minus weight percent of total Fe3C. Okay, so this is how we can calculate total cementite for 1 weight percent of carbon. Okay, so answer is 0.147. Next question is the fractions of pro-cementite and perlite for for 1 weight percent of carbon. So we need to calculate pro-cementite and perlite. So we have to extend our tie line from eutectoid point 0.6776, sorry, 0.76 to up to 6.67, and in between somewhere we will get 1 weight percent of carbon. Okay, why we did like that? Because this is hyper range, and hyper range will begin from 0.76, not from 0.022. Okay, so we took 0.76 as the terminal point, and 6.67, that is last point of iron carbon diagram, that is Fe3C. Okay, so we took like that. So for the calculation of pro cementite and perlite, I already told you, in hyper range we will get the pro cementite phase. Okay, so pro cementite we can calculate, that is pro Fe3C, we can write pro Fe3C. So for calculation of pro Fe3C, so this Fe3C will start from this side, and we will take the this region for this lever arm for calculation of pro cementite. Okay, so we can easily write 1 minus 0.76 by total length, that is 6.67, minus 0.76. Okay, so from here we can calculate easily, that is 0.24 divide 5.91. Okay, so we will get fractions of pro Fe3C. Okay, that will be equals to 0.046. And for perlite we can easily do, because this is two phase region, so only two phase we will get, so we can easily minus by 1 minus W of pro Fe3C. So 1 minus 0.06, that is 0.406. So we will get the value like 0.959, that will be the value of sorry, perlite phase. Okay, so this is in fractions. If we will ask to calculate in percentage, we can multiply it by 100, and we will get this value in the percentage. Okay, so in this question they have given 1 weight percent, and we need to calculate pro cementite and perlite. So we applied the formula, we extend the tie line up to 0.76 to 6.67. Okay, and in somewhere we put the value 1, and we applied the lever rule, and we found the answer like pro cementite phase, that is 0.046, and weight of perlite we simply calculated. So the answer for this question is pro cementite. Weight of pro cementite will be 0.046, and this perlite will be 0.959. Okay, next question is the fractions of eutectoid cementite. Okay, so we need to calculate eutectoid cementite in 1 weight percent of carbon. So in previous video we have calculated the eutectoid ferrite, because that was in hypo range. So we know this eutectoid cementite, so we know the total cementite which will form in this system, that will be total cementite will be equals to the I am writing like that, that will be equals to the pro cementite that will form before the eutectoid reaction, and the eutectoid cementite. Okay, so this will equals to the total cementite. Okay, so we can easily write weight fraction of total Fe3C is equals to weight fraction of pro Fe3C, and that weight fraction of eutectoid Fe3C, I am writing E Fe3C. Okay, eutectoid Fe3C. So we know this value, that we have already calculated weight fraction of Fe3C, and we already calculated for weight fraction of pro Fe3C. Okay, so we will put the value and we will get this eutectite cementite value. Okay, so this question is easy, just put the value and get the answer. Okay, so total cementite 0.146 we already calculated in first part, and this is also we calculated in previous part. So we can easily write like that, W of EFE3C, and from here we can calculate EFE3C, that is eutectite cementite is 0.16. Okay, so answer for this question is eutectite cementite value will be 0.106, because this is in hyper region, so we will get eutectite cementite. If suppose this will be the value, this will be in hyper region, so we will get eutectite ferrite. Okay, so the answer of this question is 0.106. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have learned something new in this video, and also I hope that you will like this small concepts from our side, and this is very important part actually in physical metallurgy. So subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos. Thank you.